Hi there, I'm Sarah with WTI, and I have found the best straightener to help me with this mess of a mop here. Let me show you how it works. Now, I've been straightening my hair since I was a teenager, which I guess was like a million years ago, but this is by far the best hair straightener I have ever had. So it comes with all the stuff. It comes with a glove so you don't burn your hands. It comes with a nice little case where it fits very nicely. It comes with a comb, and it comes with 2 hair clips. There's so much that I want to show you about this hair straightener. First of all, check this out. It takes no time at all to get hot. You hold down the power button and it does its little thing, and then I don't even have this on a quick video or anything. It just heats up this fast. I love that feature. So here's just a little video of me. I show you how well the clips work. I've got a lot of hair. It's very thick and the clips work great, holding my hair in place so that I can get this, whatever you call this, under hair area. So my hair is very thick, and the underside of it is actually has a lot of wave in it, and then the top of it is just a little bit wavy. But I do have to straighten my hair when I want to wear it down. It's just not going to lay right if I don't. Oh, there's me singing. And I love this one. It is very smooth. It never got caught up in my hair. And as you can see, it just did a wonderful job of straightening it. It looks so smooth and it feels so pretty. I just love how fast it works and how well it works. So from start to finish of straightening my hair, I'd say it took less than 10 minutes to get this result. It's just been a fantastic experience all around. So this flat iron has worked wonders for me. I love what it does to my hair. I love how it lays and how it looks, and it's just wonderful. But that's just my point of view.